cake. I don't like IKEA specifically, I just like cake.
Hey guys, we're at IKEA today, and if you don't know, IKEA specializes in small spaces, so we thought we'd come and check it out and see what's available here that might be of use in the camper. This would be an amazing piece, even to go on the side of our bed, but look at this, look at the storage you could have in this. And you've got 4 of these, so if we could find something that was maybe 1 row deep and about that deep, I think this would be awesome even at the foot of our couch. I think this is probably intended for shoes, but you could roll up shirts and have them in here as well. Very cool. And we have a fold-up desk that is very similar to what Don did with the extra TV stand in the camper, because we mounted the.
It's not near as big though.
It's not nearly this big, but this is really cool. And it's a folding desk, and the prices here are really great, y'all.
These are some storage options. These are plastic though.
Yeah, I've got no problem with that. I think
this is more lightweight that way.
those are going to be awesome. We have really wrestled with shoe storage in the camper, and I just think these would be really awesome. Look at that. And you get 3 of these for $40, y'all. Look at that. Can't beat that. So I think we will be purchasing these today, and we'll just have to see where they're mounted. I'm thinking, I agree with what Don suggested, that you could mount them across the foot of the bed. And they would just be the perfect width or depth and won't get in the way of anything. So I think that is such a great option. So I think we're going to purchase these today.
Yeah. Karate, guys.
You don't want to be here, do you?
No.
She likes IKEA.
I like cake. I don't like IKEA specifically, I just like cake.
We found also these shelves that have the lip on them. What we're thinking is that these are just deep enough to set our coffee cups in, and maybe even our regular cups as well, and this will hold them in place while we're traveling, and still be not taking up a lot of space. You can see if you shake them, nothing goes anywhere. So I think these might be a really good option as far as cups go. I like that. That's the mirror I want.
That's the mirror you want?
Yeah.
For the door?
Uh-huh.
That's too big.
Whoa. I think it is.
Yeah, it's too wide.
Well, $120 later, we're coming out of IKEA. And we got some wonderful storage options. So we'll be showing you those later.
Lisa's already started organizing the towels, how they're going to be. Another one of our many former adventures.
In our visit to IKEA this weekend, we did find some great storage options, and this was one of them, and we'll show you some of the other things we found. These are called trones. Hopefully I'm pronouncing them correctly. They mount to the wall, and they are bins that flip open like this. And as you can see, I've already begun putting clothes in here. This one's pretty much full, but it holds quite a bit. There's a lot of shirts in there. So even though we really do have great closet space in terms of a camper in here, our closets are good and deep, this will add so much space to this room in terms of storage. I know not everybody's got this walk around style like we have, but if you do, I would highly recommend these. They weren't expensive. You can get 3 of them for only $40. So we are so impressed, and we'll probably be back to IKEA, to be honest with y'all, just because we are so impressed. So we just wanted to show these to you.
I like how it's got the lip here on the top, so it also provides like a shelf that you can set something on. Like right now we've got the D-Link remote on there, and it kind of holds things in place.
So I think these are going to get a lot of use. I think they're normally really intended for shoes, but they work great for rolled things as well. So
well, it's almost like having a dresser that's turned on its side.
Yeah, and those are my shorts. This one is still empty, so we'll definitely see how these go. But so far, I'm highly impressed with them. So we would definitely recommend picking these up if you're near an IKEA.
We finally got a map of the United States at Five Below, and this is a peel and stick map, and it's not paper or anything. I can peel this off and re-stick it somewhere else if I wanted to. But we wanted to have a way of keeping track of all the places that we plan on going. And we don't have very many places to mark off yet that we've been to with the camper, at least. Even though I've been to all 48 states myself as a truck driver. I've been all over the country, but I would love to be able to do the same thing with my family.
And those are $20 on Amazon, guys.
And we got them for $5 at Five Below.
One of the other things we found at IKEA is these bins, and I was so excited about them because, number one, they're a really good size, but as you can see, they roll. These are in the toy section. If you're like us, we have a triple bunk, but with 2 children, this is, of course, the extra crate for the dog. And we have all this area back here that can be used for storage. So we decided to take advantage of that. But what got me really excited was that these crates not only roll, but they are stackable. And as you can see, we've already begun packing them. We got a few beach towels and stuff in here. And when I saw this, I was very excited that they roll right under the bed. No problem. So there's so much stuff that opens up if you do have a triple bunk in your RV. Of course, this is Seth's bunk and Zoe's bunk, so you have to excuse them. But these are going to be so great and so versatile, so I'm very excited. And we'll show you more once we get everything packed up.
And another thing we wanted to show you are these crates that we got at IKEA. These you had to assemble yourself, but they were very cheap. They were only $5. And you know how at the end of the day you empty your pockets and everything and things get put all over the nightstand? Well, this is one of the things that helps keep that under control. And it nestles right here in the corner so it doesn't go anywhere, and turns out to be very handy. And one thing I have to say is moving into the camper is easy. Moving out of the house is hard. There's so much more stuff to deal with. We've already got most of the stuff that's going to go into the camper is already there, but we've got a lot of stuff to get rid of and a lot of stuff to put into storage that's coming out of the house. Right now I am going to Lowe's. We got an extra space heater, thinking that it'd be good to have one for the bedroom and another one for the living area while we're Still in the cold season. But we bought this one and it cost us $130. Thinking, wow, if it's going to cost that much, it's probably going to put out quite a bit of heat. But we bought it and it didn't do much of anything. It was worthless. So I'm taking it back to Lowe's and I'm getting my money back, because if something's going to cost that much, it should at least work. So on my way to Lowe's now, and that'll free up a little bit of money for us to do some other stuff with.